got to stop that patrol boat. Zarnoff's men have done away with the crew.
It's a clean sweep to the locks now.
It's Tracy. I can't see it hit the locks. Blow it up! Blow it up! I'll get Tracy anyway.
That explosion will cause an intense investigation. We must dismantle everything and get out of here.
Three different stations picked up the radio signal from the robot control and triangulated them. Apparently, the lines intersected at this point.
This is the room, all right. But we're about 20 minutes too late. Zarnoff will never remain here after his attempt to blow up the locks. But where he'll turn up next, there's no telling. We'll go back to our headquarters, Captain, and do everything we can from there.
All right.
There isn't a chance of a slip-up.
Come in.
Hello, Zarnoff. I understand you sent for me. I hated to take the time. I was very busy.
Busy setting your plans to collect $5,000 reward, eh, Lenny? My men have kept me informed as to your activities. You know how I deal with stool pigeons and traitors.
Zarnoff, it's a frame. I wasn't going to squeal.
Take him away.
No, you don't. Stand back. Not a move. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't shoot.
Hello, Steve.
Dick?
Thought for a while we might get a tumble from some stool pigeon on that reward angle.
We're no better off than we were before. We can only get some idea. Hello, Duffy. Come in.
Hello, Mr. Tracy.
What's on your mind?
The boys fished a guy out of the harbor this morning, murdered. No identification. The chief sent me up here with his fingerprints.
Usual routine. Gwen, get on the teletype, Bureau of Identification, Washington. It's coming right up. You might as well wait.
Thank you.
Interesting case?
Not very. Usual stuff.
Drowned?
Shot 5 times in the back.
I see. Just the usual stuff. Any marks?
All the labels and launder marks are cut out of the clothing. Nothing in the pockets.
Pretty thorough job.
Yeah? Nothing much we can do about it.
Unless we can find out who it is. Quick work.
They say the fingerprints belong to Lenny Slade, Terman Sing Sing, Terman Fulson. 2 years ago, worked for Zarnoff's gang.
What do you know about that?
This is just what we've been waiting for.
You know this guy?
Not yet. But come along, Steve. We're going over to the morgue and have a look at Lenny. Tell the chief we'll be by in a few minutes to pick up the clothes. Put them in a bundle, all of them. Thanks, Duffy.
Okay, Mr. Tracy.
Brick dust, same as in the cups. And fish scales, same kind. Gwen, bring me the volume on marine life on the Pacific coast.
These specimens from the cracks in the shoe soles.
6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ribs.
Here's a color chart of the different scales.
You see, there it is. It's identical. It's the only one with 9. It's the fish scales from a giant bonita. Get me the Fish and Game Commissioner on the telephone.
Hello.
Mr. Burke? Just a moment, please. Dick.
Hello, Burke. Tracy, FBI.
Oh, yes, Mr. Tracy.
Just where would one walk around here to pick up the scales of giant bonito on the soles of their shoes?
Giant bonita? There aren't any.
But we've just found quite a number of the scales.
Well, there were some tremendous runs of them here a few years back. They had to build canneries to handle them. Then 3 years ago, they just quit coming here. And the canneries had to fold up.
But there could be some of these old scales lying around the floors of the canneries.
Well, that's the only place you'll find them.
Where are these canneries and how many are there?
3, I think. All between Point Roma and Half Moon Beach.
Thank you very much, Mr. Burke. We've got it. 1 of 3 abandoned canneries. Probably the one with brick dust in evidence. Call them in. We're off to the harbor to find Zarnoff. Steve and I'll take the Pacific Canneries. About a mile from there is the Mortensen plant and the Tidewater outfit. Foster, you and Wilbur cover the plant. You fellas take the other.
Looks deserted.
Uh-oh. This is the place, all right. You drive back and bring the boys here. I'll take a look around in the meantime.
The President's yacht will approach from this direction. Here are the reefs. This afternoon, I'll have the barge towed out and anchored here.
I get it. Makes a straight line over the reefs.
Al and his boys will take the lighthouse. 3 men should be enough. Sandoval, you'll take charge of the barge.
Okay.
Don't move. Stand up, Zarnoff. Now turn around. Pleasure catching up with you, Zarnoff.
The pleasure, if any, is entirely yours.
Neat job you did beating the death chamber. But you won't do it the next time.
There won't be any next time.
Watch out! He's going to shoot!
What are we going to do?
Close the trap.
I've got a better idea. Go to the medical cabinet. Bring some cotton and that bottle of anesthetic. All right, go ahead. That ought to be enough. It's quiet now. Take a look about in case some of his men are with him. Come on, snap out of it. I want to talk with you. Anchor that chair to the floor. How is it?
Solid as a rock.
Give me a couple of nails in this chair.
Letting me in on your little plot?
Not at all, Mr. Tracy. Your G-men will come charging into this room as soon as we leave. The first man to turn the knob of this door will probably be shot with a gun here.
I see.
The others will promptly fire a broadside through the door. You, being in direct line, will have the pleasure of being executed by your own men.
Take that window in there. You come with me and take the window down the hall.
I'm sorry I can't stay to talk with you as I had planned. I'm sorrier still, I won't be able to witness your execution by your own men. All right, we better go. Give them a couple more rounds, then come down to the dock. We'll have the boat ready.
Come on, Ed.
Cover us. This should be it.
You? Yeah, but nothing serious. I'm all right. Get him.
I'll give you a chance to come out. I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go ahead.